What's up, YouTube? We're back, and after so many issues that were happening,
Hiccups.
and no issues because they weren't hiccups. There was a lot of issues on the car, on the vet. There's things that we needed to adjust. And my neighbor's gonna be doing the turbo supports, and then after that, I'm gonna take it back to Houston. But to give you guys a little update, we had to change the O2s on the V because the ones that we put were bad, I guess, and they just like started rating super rich, right? Super rich, he said. Yeah, Justin told us it was super rich. It was at like 16 AFR, like on startup for some reason, but he said it's due to the O2s being bad. But other than that, we're just gonna give you guys updates on everything because we have nothing here except the V, and the vet's gonna be going that way today in the afternoon. Hopefully all the parts get here today, and then the neighbor could start on it, and then afterwards we're gonna be turning it on, seeing if they hold with the flamethrower kit, de mi amigo Chuy. No, but in all seriousness, yeah, we might try that flamethrower kit, make some little reels and stuff just to get some clips. But yeah, we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be moving this truck, getting the car this way so we get a little bit more shade, and changing those O2s. And I think the mass airflow sensor as well, it was messed up, so we had to change that as well. But that doesn't get here till tomorrow, so I don't know, to go get one from O'Reilly's and then just switch it out. Like I'll switch it out tomorrow and just get the refund. And yeah, I think that's about it. We're gonna go see Chucky as well, and we're gonna go see the lift for the black truck. That way we could get everything rolling and have like a big old photo shoot with all the vehicles here before the vet leaves or something, you know. But yeah, by my boy right here, Marvin. Turn the camera, Marvin. HP Valley. Yeah.
De caché, amigo.
De caché. Yeah, so yeah, just stay tuned, and yeah, let's move the vehicles.
So, and now we're gonna do a closer.
Here so we could get a little bit more shade, but we're gonna get the jack off. We're gonna get the jack off and go to O'Reilly's to get that mass airflow MAF sensor. So yeah, the MAF. We're gonna get that mass airflow sensor so the intake won't be doing that stuff and making it rich, and it could cause it to blow up, just in case you guys didn't know. Yeah, so we're gonna go get that, and we'll see you guys once we get there. Y'all let me know if y'all want POV handheld camera videos, because my boy right here, he's gonna get fired. He's just making fun of me on the vlogs.
You want to test it?
Someone will eat.
You do?
You
want to test out the brakes or not?
Not really.
Why? Let's go off-roading or?
Because I care about your car.
Let's go off-roading. I would. Let's go to here.
Dale. Wait. Okay. It didn't even throw any smoke. Or like Let's go. I like.
Oh, he's still in launch mode. Sorry.
Oh. Is it really long?
Yeah, look, watch.
I was gapping you last night, bro. I was gapping you last night. Oh. Oh, neutral.
Watch.
There's gonna be like 5 neutrals right now.
Yeah.
Oh! What was that?
I don't know. As a safety mechanism.
Yeah.
Alright,
Just hope the tire didn't come off.
I'm scared. Oh, look at the guy. He was like
Go again. You could have gone that outside.
Really?
He was green.
I didn't know it.
Oh, poor car. Imagine this whole time I wasn't recording. We got here to O'Reilly's after the shenanigans that Marvin was pulling, and
He had a blast though.
and they didn't have the mass airflow sensor that we needed. So well, it was there, but it was a special order, and we couldn't get that. I mean, I already have one coming in tomorrow, but it's tomorrow and not today. So I guess we'll just do the O2s, see if it works. I know that's a cop right there. I know Justin pulled timing for that reason because of the mass airflow. So I guess we'll deal with it, and then I think it was on like 10 degrees of timing. Oh, they're looking for us. It was on like 10 degrees of timing, so it's nothing crazy. That's like stock.
I'm about to run over too. They told us that it was 60 timing.
60.
Oh yeah, I'm lying. It was 75 degrees.
Okay.
Oh.
My boy was gonna crash.
Because I was doing the what is it, Fast and the Furious, like.
Anyways.
Oh, he's gonna run over the cone. What? My boy was gonna run over the cone.
Anyways. Yeah. So we'll just do the O2 sensors, and then we'll go update you guys on the projects.
Master got me working. That's what's gonna happen right now.
So was he right? I didn't bring the subs, or did I?
Yeah, you did.
I did?
Yeah, they're already in there. Everything's already in there. We're working on the thing in the back. And go ahead, aquí.
The beauty stuff.
Those are wired. We just need to wire this one up. Pero how many batteries you gonna want?
No sé.
Porque aquí cabe una chiquita, o sea, las lithiums, one right here and one in the other side, so they can look the same.
Yeah.
And then the big amp is gonna be in there.
Oh, okay.
Two solve the same right here, and over here the big one inside of the console. Porque luego van a quedar todos amontonados or under the seat. You got a lot of holes under the the carpet, so we're gonna do dynamo.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Different shops.
That's good, güey. Porque antes estaba más levantadita detrás. And you got some good range.
Oh, that's all right.
What are we driving today? Snack. Oh yeah, you're gonna get me in trouble. Those are both wrong. So what are you doing right now? Mr. Mechanic?
Now,
Before
gonna
I
be
take the
changing
puppy to swing. I mean for a spin.
to swing.
To swing my bed.
We're gonna be changing out the O2s because we finally got back. And I'm just gonna put this to secure the car a little bit more. So
Nice. Joe and me finished the O2 sensors right now.
yeah, we finished the O2 sensors after a good 30 minutes. But that's because we were in a tight position. And it was giving our big hand some trouble. But we got it done. And it's our first Cadillac that we're working on, so we don't know the easy spots, or we don't know some certain things that other people know by now, you know? So,
It's thirsty. It's thirsty.
it already got water the other day, right?
Oh yeah. What do you do? I guess.
I need my charger.
Una agüita para el solazo. And then we got our, oh sorry guys, we got our RR1000. So we got the Altus to work, right?
I think so, yeah.
And now we're gonna put the timing at 6,000.
You're not even pointing it at.
Yeah.
Oh.
6,000? Alright, I want you to do a pull and see what happens. I want it to blow fireworks.
You didn't say that.
Huh?
I didn't even say that.
I don't know, I'm just playing, but
O2's work now. The Denzos. Now.
shout out to Justin.
Shout out to Justin for real. 'Cause if not, we would have been stuck trying to find something. Oh, we're gonna do a little pool.
Damn. And there's no boost.
Oh yeah, right?
There's
It's still
no
on
boost.
6 pounds.
It's still on 6 pounds.
That did feel better than what it did the last times.
Oh, this is their FedEx.
What was coming? Summit stuff for the vet. So. Across the street.
On that one you have to wait.
Oh, it just sits there, no? sits there with that
With the plate?
with that bushing. Like on that turbo, it sits there with the bushing.
No,
Y
this one's gonna
este
sit-
lo hace tight aquí.
Sí, este se va a quedar, pero aquí lleva un fitting.
Okay.
Me cuenta que aquí va un fitting, me cuenta.
To 11 Fabs. Shout out to 11 Fabs. He's always hooking me up right across the street, so he does my work. So if you guys want to do work, you guys already seen right there. That Twitter. Looks clean. That thing looks nasty. So yeah. I think the guy that owns this is Jerry Auto Works, but it used to be one of my friends. But this truck is clean. The only thing it's missing is those wheelwoods. Then wheelwoods, and it's gonna be a done truck. I think. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of like mine, or Michelle's, but Michelle's is color matched with some chrome stuff. But hers is gonna be Z71, and this one's a High Country clone. But other than that, I think we'll just catch you guys up tomorrow. We're gonna be going where are we gonna be going?
Houston.
Oh, maybe we might be going to Houston
For the next vlog, not this vlog.
Yeah, not this vlog though. We need to do some stuff. Oh, the mass airflow. We need to finish the mass airflow. So I think that will close out the video, and yeah, that's about it. You guys see the shenanigans that Marvin puts me through on the O'Reilly's trip, and then this thing will be done probably tomorrow, so that way I could take it to Orsac Motorsports and to get Justin on that tune ASAP, so I could do some cool stuff. Get some. Are you zooming in or something?
No.
Okay. And I have something on my face. Or
No.
what? Oh. And get that car running.
You look cute, that's why.
And race some people in Houston, race some people here, call everyone out, everyone, and whoever wants to line up, just message me on Instagram. I'm not a cocky guy, so you guys we can run whatever. I'll run whatever for the vids.
We have an RR1000 too. Tell him.
We have an R1000, a mini bike stretched. Nah, yeah. So back to what I was saying. The vet will race whoever, whenever. Just give me a heads up, and we can get a race locked in. And for money or no money, it doesn't matter. It's for fun. So that will keep you guys updated with the V, and it's probably gonna be till tomorrow. So yeah, after that we'll see if the mass airflow goes down, and the AFR. If the AFR goes down and the mass airflow, so it won't be taking no more timing. The next day, now UPS came super late. My boy Tony Martin, he's slacking. I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell UPS. He left me a note tonight that he misses me carrying him on COD, but yeah. So this came in, and the neighbor finished that last night. So he left the vet right here in my driveway, and we'll show you guys that before we get started on the CTSV real quick. But all he did was make like support mounts. He made support mounts which just hold the turbos, and they're holding on from the water pump, but so the turbos won't shake anymore. As you can see, they're not shaking. They'll shake with the motor moving, but that's about it. And I guess we'll get started with this, change it out, and then we're gonna be heading out to cruise night. And I guess that's gonna be like the extended vlog, and make some little videos with this. And yeah, we'll see you guys right now. Oh, I forgot to shout my boy, I love you, King Julian. For what? That you were here.
me to hold it?
Yeah, please.
Nacho my thing!
What is that?
I did that to Marvin one time.
For real?
Yeah, he was in the trunk and he's like, no, wait till that thing, and closed it. He's like, my head.
Oh, it was disconnected this whole time?
Oh.
Look, we just started playing on this guy. I need the light.
Oh, my bad. I'd say just leave it.
Let me clear the code, see if anything goes away or if anything's going up. But right now when we drove it, I actually threw it like that. I don't know why. But it sounds good. It doesn't sound bad.
I don't think that's street legal.